Hi, I'm Emilio Perucca, co-chair of the ILE-IBE Joint Task Force for Epilepsy Advocacy in Europe. 6 million people have epilepsy in Europe, with 2 million people being resistant to treatment. There are major disparities in the level of epilepsy care in the region, largely because of lack of adequate resources. Stigma and prejudice against epilepsy are highly prevalent in all countries. Epilepsy research is grossly underfunded. It is gratifying to see that the members of the European Parliament recognized the importance of these issues and approved on September 15, 2011, the written Declaration of Epilepsy. The declaration is an official document of the Parliament and it calls on the European Commission, the European Council to recognize epilepsy as a major target for political action to improve diagnosis and treatment and to stimulate research. The declaration also calls on member states to enact legislation to improve the rights of people with epilepsy. The impact of the declaration has been significant in many ways. It has enhanced the motivation and sense of unity of all stakeholders, including ILE chapters, health professionals, IB associations, patients, and their families. The declaration also shows that the European Union Parliament recognizes the importance of epilepsy and its needs. As a positive fallout of the declaration, epilepsy will be among the priority for research funding within the next framework program of the European Union. Several countries, including some outside the EU, also responded to the declaration by taking steps to improve epilepsy care and to enact legislation protecting the rights of people with epilepsy. The declaration is one of the many exciting initiatives that are now taking place worldwide. Other examples being the IEM report in the US, the PAHO Action Plan for Epilepsies in the Americas. These initiatives are somewhat complementary, and there is scope for collaboration among them. We can all learn from each other for the good of people with epilepsy.